Gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Smoking is not permitted until you're in a designated smoking area in the terminal building. Please do not turn on your mobile phone until we've opened the aircraft doors. Please ensure you take all of your personal belongings with you, including any reading material you may have brought on board. Remember to check the overhead lockers and the seat pocket in front of you. Do take care when opening overhead lockers in case anything should fall out and cause injury to yourself or to another passenger. Before your next flight with us, log on to our website at aerlingus.com, where you will find the best deals on flights, hertz, car hire, hotels and travel insurance. For future travel, remember you can always use our online check-in at aerlingus.com. Once again, thank you for flying with Aer Lingus today. It has been our pleasure to have you on board. We look forward to welcoming you on board one of our services in the very near future. Have a safe and pleasant home journey. Thank you and good afternoon. On board for arrival and cross-check.